Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok login field something went wrong. First of all, you're going to close the app fully by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and then swiping it away. Next, you are going to restart your phone by press the power button plus volume button, and then swipe to power off. Then open your phone after a few seconds. Then you are going to turn your internet off and on Wi-Fi or cellular to make sure you are on a stable network to rule out internet issues. Then reopen TikTok and then try again. Now if that works, then that's good. Now if it does not work, you will have to reinstall your TikTok app. Safety tip: only log in through TikTok's official page or website. Avoid suspicious links. Quick fix: login using different method: phone, email, Apple, Google if one fails. And that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.